for your, so we are going to do knotless braids. We are going to use this little hole for your hairpiece. This is a normal hairpiece, and then you separate them little bit, a very little, like this, like this. Then we are going to use this one. This one is a normal gel we use to do dreadlocks. Use a little bit, a very little, and then you a piece of hair. If your hair is too short, you have to use this one, so that your knotless braid may come out so tight. So you use a piece, a little piece, then you start like this, you start like this, like this. Then you go ahead with your hairpiece. Then you continue. You can do it on your own, like this. You make sure you do take, you see what I'm doing. You had another one. You had another one. You continue. You had another one. You continue. And the final one, like that. And you continue finishing. This is what we call knotless braid. You start here with your hair, and then you put on braid. You put on the small, and you go adding. You add until it is enough. Then you finish, and this is what we call knotless braid. It looks like this, exactly like this. If you can see, this is knotless. This is knotless braids.